In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix, that is, you are having a trouble with the Microsoft Store is not opening or won't open when you try to launch it. So if you're kind of facing this kind of trouble, this is what we have to do. So the first thing is what we need to do is we have to go over here in the store. Now we need to type here for Microsoft Store. Then what you need to do is you have to right click and go to the app setting. Now from here, what you need to do is in the app setting, we have to make few changes here. You have to scroll it down, and what you need to do is the first one, there is an option called terminate where you have to click on this, and there is an option called reset where you have to go for repair and reset. So after trying terminate, repair and reset, you just need to go back and we have to go to the search here, and this time we need to type WSReset and you have to just click on this. So what happens is the Microsoft Store will be opening once again. It's like giving a fresh start for the Microsoft Store, and you have to check with it. Still, if you're having a trouble with the Microsoft Store, then what you need to do is we have to close this and go over here in the search. We need to type your first settings. Then what you need to do is you have to click on the settings here. Once you get into the settings, the first one, go to the time and language, go to the date and time. Make sure the time zone automatically should be turned on. And there is an option called sync now where you have to click on this and the time should be synced over here. Now, once you're done with this one, we have to check after syncing the time and doing all these kind of things, it will work. If not, you can go to the Windows update. Make sure the Windows is up to date. So if you're having any kind of pending updates, you have to just update the Windows. And after updating the Windows, you have to check. Now we need to move to the last step. That is all about we have to go over here in the search. Now type your full PowerShell over here. Then click on Run as Administrator and just go for yes. Now we just need to wait. So once you just copy and paste the command, which I'll be giving in the video description, you just need to copy and paste it. Then you have to just press enter. So what happens is this will be running this particular command over here. This will take a little bit of time. After the command is successfully executed, you can just do a restart on your system, and most probably afterwards, the Microsoft Store will not be having any kind of trouble, and it will be fine with it if you go over here and try opening it back. As you can see, when you click on the Microsoft Store, it will be working like a fine and you'll not be having any kind of trouble with the Microsoft Store. So these are the steps, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.